guys, welcome back. We'll have a look at Brent, which is by Jeremy Zucker and Chelsea Cutler. It's live from the internet, and we have the keyboard on the 7th fret, the way Chelsea just do the plucking, does the plucking. So we got the keyboard on 7th fret for that, so make sure you have the keyboard on fret 7. I have noticed 3 chord progression throughout the whole song. 3 chord progression, right? So I'll show you 3 of them, and I'll show you guys the plucking style which she uses, which she does throughout the whole song, which is pretty easy. First got the C major, mute 3 to open first open, G major 3 to open 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 3, A minor, mute open second second first open, E minor open second second first open, F major, you don't have to play the full chord, play B1, G2, D3, top E string first fret. So we got, what else do we have? We are done with the chord shapes. Now the intro, it starts out like this. So the intro chord progression is basically C, F, then again a C, then G, right? So that's the intro chord progression, and I'll break down everything. Get used to it, because like it might get a bit confusing at the beginning, because like it seems like there's a lot of chord changes, but I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. So the picking pattern throughout the whole song will be basically plucking the bass note with the thumb, then plucking the D string with the thumb, then plucking the B and G string with the index and middle finger together, then plucking the G string with the index finger. And no matter what the chord is, throughout the whole song, we'll be doing this plucking. Like this picking pattern is constant throughout the whole song. So we have, now what's bass note? They are basically the lowest note from every lowest note of every chord from which the name of the chord comes. And I'll say the root notes thing right now. Like for the C major, A minor, and all, we have the bass note on the A string. So it means you will be plucking the A string, then D string, then B, G, then G. And for the E minor, G, F, and all, we have the bass note on the top E string. So we'll be plucking E, then D, then B, and G, then G. So this E string, the low E, not the high E, doesn't make sense, right? So we got a C major chord. I'll play the pattern twice on C. I'll go to F, E, D, B, G, E, D, B, G, G. Then I'll go to C, but this time the C is a bit specialized. I'll add my pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's a C add 9 chord for this song. So we have A, D, B, G, G, A, D, B, G, G. Then you go to G, normal simple G. E, D, B, G, G. Got it? So that's the intro. Then you go to the verse, what Jeremy Zucker sings and C plays the guitar. So it's basically it's basically A minor, then F, then C add 9, then G. It just goes on and on. So that's the verse. I'll say the chorus, not the verse, the chorus of the Jeremy Zucker part. So we got, play the plucking pattern twice for every chord. F, C add 9, G, back to A minor, F, let's one more time. A minor, minor, F major, F, C, A9, and G. Then gets to the pre-chorus of the Jeremy Zucker, I'll say, and after he sings the pre-chorus, his part is done. Like then it just switches to Chelsea, but C is still playing the guitar. So basically the ending part of the Jeremy Zucker, the chord progression will be a minor, E minor. So the pattern will be same. So A, D, B, G, G, A, D, B, G, G, E, D, B, G, G, D. One more time, A minor, E minor. For the last time, A minor, E minor. And then we have A minor again, F, and then you'll see that C goes to a C major chord, and C just like settles the guitar, and like C's about to sing, and the chord progression changes. It will be now a C, a G, A minor, then F. Now if you see, we have really lots of chord changes over here, progression, but it's very simple, and the plucking is constant, which makes it a lot more easy, really beginner friendly. So we have C, just a normal C, not C at 9. So this is basically Chelsea Cutler part. F and C, G, A minor, and F. That's the whole song, guys. I hope the video helps you out. Any doubt, do comment down below. I'll help you out as much as I can. And that's it. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.